You can generate a panel footprint and a panel enclosure from a schematic list. So you can go and find the schematic components that you've got in the list and add them straight away to your panel. Let's have a look at that now. Now I've got a new drawing set up for you, JIC, panel from schematic there. So what we'll do is we'll go here, right click, add active drawing as usual, apply the project default values. Now you'll notice, because I've done a save as from another drawing, I need to just update the properties of the drawing there and change that to a sheet value of 6 so that we're sequential on the drawing list in the project. Okay, let's have a look at this now and how this works. We go up to the panel tab now, and instead of using the icon menu, we're going to use the schematic list by referencing the schematic component list in the project. So if I do that now, look, there's all my components, and there's the ones that I want to insert on the panel. So what I might do is select all of these, and what I'm going to do there is I'm going to manually insert them. So there's the two there. Now I'm just going to prompt for each location in this case. There's the insert order of the push button and the pilot light. You'll notice there's no nameplate. It's not actually a schematic component. So when I click on OK now, there's the catalog lookup for the first one. So I just click on OK again. I don't need to look it up again. It's there. It's looked it up for me. So there's my push button. So what I'll do is I'll make sure that snap and grid are on. And I'll just zoom and pan so I've got a bit more clarification there on my drawing. And what I'll do, I'll snap exactly there, like that. Rotation, just press enter to accept the default. There's my push button there. It's component tag PB02 in this case. I might change that to push button 01. Click on OK. And now the next bit, you'll notice the number has changed. So I'll click on OK again. I need to pick a location, but again, it's looking things up for me, so give it time. You'll notice there, can you see it's looking it up, it's doing the wildcard match, and there's my pilot light. So I can line that in there using the snap and the grid, specify the location, press enter for rotation, and there's my pilot light. And that component tag has come in at 001, which is fine, so I'll OK that. That updates as well. Now I can go and select these as much as I like because they're part of my schematic components that are already in the project somewhere. Now I know in this particular case it's my panel layouts project, and I know that they're my push buttons and my pilot lights because I set them up previously on the schematic. So I click on close. Other drawings in the project may include child components and things like that. Remember the parent-child sibling environment? So what you might want to do is do a batch process update. So we OK that, save the drawing, we OK that, and it saves the drawing. And can you see now it's going through each of the project drawings to make sure that everything's updated for me. Isn't that nice? It's so quick and easy once you've got everything linked together. So you can link and create your panel from an existing schematic. So you might draw the schematic first, or you might draw the panel first. Which would you do? It's panel first and create the panel footprint. You then create the schematic from that footprint. And then when you want to create another panel, you know that you've got those components on the schematic already. So you can bring them in to the new panel, maybe a second panel, a third panel that you're creating on this particular project.